New rules also impose a general ban on payment for order flow. That is right, the EU in their brand new rules just dropped a ban on payment for order flow. The only exception is that member states where the practice of payment for order flow already existed may allow investment firms under its jurisdiction to be exempt from the ban, which may just bring more illegal shit over to our markets. However, this is a step in the right direction. China has also just banned major institutional investors from reducing equity holdings at the open and close of each trading day, part of the government's most forceful attempt yet to prop up the nation's US $8.6 trillion stock market. In detail, CSRC banned net selling by major firms in the first and last 30 minutes of market trading. Now, this is also an act to track who is actually shorting. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a ton of stuff to cover with AMC, GameStop, the overall market, and some additional stuff to close out the video. There are a lot of stuff happening. A ton of insiders are selling specific tickers, and we're going to get into that later in the video. And we also have a little bit to talk about Citadel. So without further ado, please hit the like button. It helps me out. It's free. It's a click of a button, and it's going to push the video out to more AMC holders. Also, subscribe to the channel, have post notifications on. Let's get into it. Citadel has declined to comment on 2 senior employees leaving. So 2 senior employees over at Citadel, first the Hong Kong-based global head of SamZ, quant research lead for index arbitrage, have left after 8 and 7 years respectively. Probably nothing. The fact that it's these positions in particular raises the question, right? What are they running from? And no, I wasn't going to try to pronounce those names. Now that's not all. Brokers that do not enforce trade settlements are reminded broker-dealers can be held primarily liable for failing to fulfill their gatekeeping responsibilities of monitoring their clients' trading activities. The ruling serves as a crystal clear warning to broker-dealers, alerting them to the possibility of being held principally accountable for their clients' manipulative actions if they fail to carry out their gatekeeping duties of overseeing their customers' trading. Brokers are no longer able to argue that, since their clients are merely following their instructions, they are not responsible for their trading activity. The federal securities laws now hold brokers largely accountable for their negligence in monitoring, identifying, and stopping their clients' fraudulent or manipulative trading activity. We are seeing huge steps forward in the right direction, and anyone short more shares than float, just as an example, are posing a major risk to their broker. And that broker has to understand that they're going to be held liable when shit hits the fan. Now, GameStop is trading at $13.41, down 0.63% on the day. This is bearish. We did not want to see this because this shows that GameStop is likely to go through another cycle. However, it's not validated just yet. It is still holding a little bit of support here. If GameStop continues to break lower, we're coming into this channel under $12.50, and that will put GameStop through another cycle. However, if we see a major pop, which is still possible over the next couple of days, you're looking to re-enter that zone around $15.15 to $16. Ethereum Classic also taking a cool off. Got a nice rejection here. Across the board, everything is cooling off, and AMC is holding up pretty well, getting the definition of a hammer candle. Also, this is on fading volume with this little sell-off, which is a good thing to see. Volume exhaustion on the downside shows we are going to have a move higher. Again, 545 is that level we're watching, between 525 and 545 for the first level, then 654, 750, 850, 975, so on and so forth, evaluating when we get higher up. But we are down 1.18% on the day, trading at $4.61. Overall, still looking beautiful. We're waiting for another big catalyst this week, which we're going to talk about, that will push the market as well as AMC higher. AMC 12.18% short interest according to Ortex. We pay attention for the trend, 30.5 million shares shorted. If we come and take a look at Snonko Tracker, 15,000 calls compared to 7,000 puts expiring in the money, and then 64,000 calls expiring out of money. So we are winning on the options chain, and overall the options chain is looking pretty good. It's looking bullish over the next few weeks. Short exempts died down extremely from 275 to 75,000, so 200,000 less the next day on the 20th. Yet you can see we got a little bit of a sell-off here. GameStop losing on the options chain, 1,000 calls compared to 5,000 puts expiring in the money, but more people are betting bullish. More premium going to market makers as of right now, but it is only Wednesday, so keep that in mind. Short exempt volume kind of low, but at a decent spot for GameStop. Now, a ton of insiders are selling their shares, but I want to take a quick break and tell you guys to download the Moo Investing app. It's the top link in the description. If you open an account using my link and deposit even $1, even a penny, you're going to start earning free stocks. They're going to give them to you and put them in your account. Whether you sell those and take the money out or continue to invest on their platform is completely up to you. But go do that, sign up using my link and make a deposit. You're also getting 8.1% APY for 3 months and then 5.1% 7% for the rest of the year, which will really help with taxes if you are someone that will owe. You're earning this money throughout the year, and you can just use that to pay your taxes. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Overall, great platform to use, giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, and more. Also, guys, get in the Discord. I'm in there on the daily. I post my positions when I take them in my personal portfolio. We talk stocks as well as crypto, and we have options trading alerts. It's a cheap Discord, best vibes, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader. This is the place to go. Both of those links are the first two under the video and pinned in the top comments. Now, Jeff Bezos is selling Amazon shares once again. Just filed a sale of 14 million additional shares of Amazon worth $2.4 billion. This is $8.4 billion worth so far in the past about 11 trading days. What do you think he's running from? It's not just him. Meta insiders are selling big as well. The CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, and 6 other Meta insiders have sold a combined 80 million in stock today alone, including their COO, CFO, CTO, and CLO and president. That's now nearly $1 billion in insider sales over the past month. Wait, there's more. We are not done just yet. You can see Google, Apple, BMY, Eli Lilly, Microsoft, all sales. Okay, these insiders are not playing. These big players are not playing. Giants are selling off giants, right? They're selling off these blue chip tickers. If we take a look at the SPY, it is holding up at this support channel right here. Touch point here, 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 and here. We need to see a bounce off of this level for the SPY, trading at 495.77, kind of chop trading on the day, getting a little bit of a hammer candle. We're looking to fill that gap up to 498.85, or if we break below this channel, we could see a hold around 493 and or 489.20. So watch those levels on the overall market. Nvidia broke down below this channel. It has earnings tonight, fighting a resistance level. Even if Nvidia continues to sell off this week and shake people out of earnings, it could just start climbing back higher. If earnings are bearish, I'm watching $630 on Nvidia. If earnings are bullish, I'm watching $725 to $790. 250 if we get a crazy earnings. This is going to move the overall market and a ton of plays because this is a giant. Now, the expected numbers are 20.6 billion, revenue up 240% year over year from 6 billion last year, EPS 463 up 712% from 0.57 last year. Net income 10.4 up 640 from 1.14 billion last year. These numbers are absolutely insane. We'll see what Nvidia does. I think Tesla will also move with it as a sympathy play. 193.84 chop trading. We need to see a break back over 197, but Tesla is holding in the channel, very similar to the overall market. Crypto still flat, still kind of taking a little bit of a cool off. That's why you're seeing Ethereum Classic do the same thing. Now, some sprinkles on top. Ford cuts price of electric Mustang Mach-E by $3,100 to $8,100. Apple fans are starting to return their Apple Vision Pros, claiming they're giving headaches, eye strain, and a ton of other issues. Finally, Singapore and China to launch CBDC pilot for cross-border payments. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Again, make sure to get in the Discord and get your free stocks by signing up for Moomoo and making a deposit. And let me know what you think about this overall market. In my opinion, AMC is primed. It is positioned to move higher. Bitcoin is about to start its actual move coming into the halving, and Ethereum Classic is going to follow along with it, as well as XRP and then AMC. Nvidia may just move the market. Plus, we have that Fed meeting in March, which is very, very close. Overall, guys, that is it. I love you. Peace.